everybody. I'm meteorologist AJ Colby here in the Weather Center, and it is midweek. Here we are sitting on a Wednesday with gorgeous weather. This is fantastic. And some rather pleasant days are ahead. There are some unpleasant days, though, in terms of some hot, humid weather that will certainly remind us that summer is just around the corner as our temperatures soar close to 90 degrees over some areas. We'll begin with a look at crib cam, and boy, it's quiet out there. You can see a little bit of boat traffic. It looks like one mariner there wetting the keel, as it were. Southeast winds becoming south on the lake at 10 to 15 knots. Waves only a foot or less, so nothing more than a cat's paw out there. Southwest winds for tomorrow, 10 to 15 knots. Waves again running at about a foot or less. And our water temperature off Cleveland is currently 66 degrees. Here's a look at the action from outer space. And the cloud cover has been pretty lacking today. There's one little area of cloud cover that appears to be diving into northwest Ohio. But for the rest of the state, it's sunshine galore, basically. Need your shades for certain outside and sunscreen if you like to do that. Meantime, a wider view of satellite imagery showing a quiet day across Illinois, Indiana, nothing but intense sunshine. Of course, we're heading for the first day of summer, so our most intense solar radiation going on even as we speak. Across the lower 48, stormy weather over the Sunshine State again, at least parts of the Sunshine State of Florida, but a good chunk of real estate is in fine weather shape. It is quite stunning across much of our great nation, from sea to shining sea. There are some areas that are experiencing some thunderstorm activity, though, from the Twin Cities on southwest through about Sioux Falls and then north of Lincoln, Nebraska. But it's fairly confined to that area. There are some spotty showers over Maine down through Augusta and Concord, New Hampshire. Also some showers up around Montpelier. Those showers are light and few and far between. So how about for us? How do we shape up in terms of our weather maps? Well, high pressure is going to slide east. As it does so, it'll introduce at least the atmosphere for a few showers well to the north and west along a weak frontal boundary. You can see that front very slowly eking its way off to the east, southeast. This is for tomorrow morning. By the afternoon hours, extreme northwest Ohio could have a sprinkle or a light rain shower. That front begins to gather a little more vim and vigor tomorrow night, and we could be dealing with some scattered thunderstorms as well. The front sliding through by Friday morning. So the greatest potential for any rain activity, I think, will be late Thursday into early Friday. But the daytime waking hours for most of us will actually be dry, I would say. How does this look on the weather maps? We'll show you animation through tonight. Then into early Thursday morning, you can see some stormy weather with that front approaching late Thursday night. There's Friday morning early. You can see the showery weather as it approaches. There could be some thunderstorm activity as well with that. Some of the storms could be a little rambunctious along that front. We will certainly be keeping our eyes out for any issues. Meantime, our forecast for tonight goes as follows. Mostly clear. Uneventful. Should be a beautiful night tonight. The overnight low 65. Sunset tonight at 9:02 with a light south wind kind of stirring it up and making it fresh at 5 to 10 miles per hour. For tomorrow, expect sunshine galore in generous amounts. Heaps and gobs of sunshine. A hot, breezy day. Look at that high. 90 degrees. The mercury is going to be on the climb. Sunrise at 5:53, and southwest winds will help to stir the atmosphere up a little bit. Boy, that'll be awfully nice. We'll definitely take it with a temperature at 90. Let's look ahead to the extended now. More sunshine. Again, the potential for some showers and thunderstorms late Thursday night, so late tomorrow night into Friday. Some of the storms could be a little rambunctious, but most of Friday looking just grand. Behind the front, a cooler high near 80. It'll be a pleasant Saturday, too. Beautiful Saturday. Gosh, I love reporting beautiful weather for the weekend in the month of June because so much is always going on now on weekends. 78 Saturday of sunny skies, 60 the overnight low. Then on Sunday, more sunshine and it gets hot. This time the heat means business, I think. We're going to have a couple of days in the 90s at least, with a 90 on Sunday. Monday, even hotter still. Sunny skies. Humidity levels are really going to start to creep up Sunday and Monday. Monday, we're looking at a high temperature of 93 degrees. It'll be a hot one for sure. Okay, guys, be safe out there tonight. Enjoy this beautiful weather. And as always, appreciate you stopping by, getting your forecast from the AJ Colby Weather Center. I'm AJ Colby. Have a great night.